Hello everybody and welcome to Promove Bangkok, and today we're going to show you 3 condominiums within $750 per month, aka about 600 UK sterling pounds. It works out to about 20 to 24,000 baht per month. So stay with us as we check out 3 stunning properties in this beautiful Ari neighbourhood of Bangkok.
That's right everybody, it's Jono here from Promove Bangkok, and today we've got a unique, exciting video for you where we're taking on 3 different units in this wonderful, vibrant neighbourhood of Ari, Bangkok. And that's right, for just under $700 you can live with some of the best street food that Bangkok has to offer. Some great cafes such as Land House, Yellow Lane, and of course Raptor for Mexican Thai fusion food. It's incredible, great food and a real residential safe neighbourhood to live in. Okay, so we start off our tour on Soi Ari 1 at the vertical Ari. Today we've got a 44 square metre 1 bedroom unit in this modern 23 storey high Sansiri development. This tastefully designed 43 square metre unit opens up with a separate kitchen on the left hand side. Plenty of storage cupboard, comes fully equipped with a washing machine, and then leads into a large open plan, bright living dining area. Plenty of space for a sofa and a TV with a balcony with unblocked views looking towards Ari, Soi 1 and of course the BTS, only a 5-minute walk away. Plenty of wardrobe space in this bedroom with a large king-size mattress as well, tasteful decor throughout, and of course a sliding door just to keep out any noise in case you have any guests. Solid walls and hardwood flooring keep this condo premium and keep the noise within. It really is a unique property and great value at only 19,000 baht per month. With a stunning pool and water features on this 18th floor facility and a gym with great views of the Pearl in the distance, this is a great start to our 3 units. Up next we've got a slightly larger unit and slightly closer to the BTS, located on Paulitin Soi 7. It's a noble reform. This unit is a large 1-bedroom property on the 8th floor and once again comes fully furnished and has unblocked views of Soi Ari 1. There's a rooftop swimming pool with panoramic views of the city in the distance and the whole of Ari, and of course a gym which gives you the same outlook. Absolutely beautiful. Coming in at 23,000 baht, $685, this fully furnished unit really is stunning. It's bright, it's open, it's fully furnished with a large sofa, dining table fit for 4 chairs with TV, 2 balconies, 1 in the living room and 1 in the bedroom, a king-size mattress, and of course, no bedroom is complete without its very own ensuite. This really is ideal for any young professional or couple looking to live in the Ari neighbourhood. And of course, at 23,000 baht, a great deal under $700. Last but not least, we have a 29 square metre unit at the Fin condominium on Soi Ari 2. This is a very tasteful, well-designed unit where every part of the property is designed just with, you know, as if somebody's had thought about it. It's really bright actually, and actually feels a lot larger than 29 square meters, with a good, well-equipped kitchen, a sofa with a view out onto a Soi Ari 3 and 4, a bedroom with plenty of wardrobe space, and plenty of natural light coming in from unblocked windows. There's an ensuite which is tastefully done. This one is on the market at 19,000 baht with its very own modern gym and rooftop swimming pool. It's the best way to end our 3 condominiums under $700 per month. So which one do you reckon suits you the best? Just check out this swimming pool. And there we leave it with incredible views of this beautiful neighbourhood. And there you go, 3 condominiums under $700 in Ari. Which one took to your eye? Give us a call on 0907276508 if you have any of these properties in your mind. Take care.